Hey future doctors, welcome to second episode of NEET Podcasts where I am providing you guys with audible rapid revision of chapters of NCERT Biology for your NEET preparation. If you are new and find our initiatives helpful in your NEET journey, do subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Plant Kingdom. Introduction to Plant Kingdom. Plants are multicellular eukaryotic autotrophic organisms. Cell wall is made of cellulose. Chlorophyll is used for photosynthesis. Stored food is starch. Reproduction is by asexual spores or sexual alteration of generations. Basis of classification. Morphology and structure. Thalloid, algae bryophyte versus differentiated body, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperms. Presence or absence of root, stem or leaves. Vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, absent in algae and bryophytes, present in pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Reproductive structures, seedless plants, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, seed-bearing plants, gymnosperm, naked seeds, angiosperm, seeds enclosed in fruits. Alteration of generations, gametophyte dominant, algae and bryophyte, sporophyte dominant, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Classification of plant kingdom. Algae, also called thallophyte. Simplest plants, mainly aquatic, freshwater or marines, thalloid body, that is, there is no differentiation into roots, stems, and leaves. Vascular tissues are absent. Reproduction can be asexual or sexual. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation and zoospores. Sexual reproduction by isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Economic importance: food source, chlorella porphyra, agar production, Gelidium gracilaria. Type of algae: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Protophyceae. Chlorophyceae, green algae. Pigments, chlorophyll A and B. Storage material is starch. Examples: Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Pyrogyra. Phaeophyceae, also called brown algae. Pigment, fucoxanthin, chlorophyll A and C. Storage material, mannitol, laminarin. Example: Fucus, Laminaria, Sargassum. Rhodophyceae or red algae. Pigment is phycoerythrin. Storage food material, Floridian starch. Example: Polysiphonia, Gelidium gracilaria. Bryophytes, called as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Terrestrial but require water for fertilization. No vascular tissue, no xylem or phloem seen. Body types: thalloid or leafy. Thalloid is seen in liver rots, leafy in mosses. Reproduction can be asexual or sexual. Asexual by gummy, example in liver rots. Sexual is oogamous and water is required. Life cycle: dominant gametophyte phase, dependent sporophyte phase. Economic importance: soil formation, mosses, sphagnum. Peat formation, sphagnum. Types of bryophyte: liver rot, example Merchantia. Mosses, example Funaria polytrichum. Pteridophytes, the first vascular plants. First plant to develop vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. True roots, stem, leaf present. Water is required for fertilization. Dominant sporophyte, independent gametophyte. Reproduction: asexual spores, sporangia. Sexual reproduction is oogamous. Economic importance: soil binders, lycopodium. Ornamental plants like fern. Types of pteridophytes: Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida. Lycopsida or the club mosses, example Lycopodium, Selaginella. Sphenopsida, the horsetails, example Equisetum. Pteropsida includes the ferns, example Dryopteris and Ediantum. Gymnosperms, naked seed plants, vascular plants with seeds not enclosed in fruit. Cone, strobili instead of flower is seen. Pollination by wind. Sporophyte is dominant. Economic importance: wood, example the pinus and cedrus plant. Raisins and oil, example pinus. Examples include Cycas, Pinus, Genetum. Angiosperms or the flowering plant. Most advanced group of plants, flowers, specialized reproductive structures. Double fertilization is the unique feature seen in angiosperms. Seed enclosed in fruit, vascular plants. Well developed xylem and phloem is present. Life cycle: sporophyte dominant, reduced gametophyte. Classification based on cotyledons: monocotyledon, dicotyledon. Monocotyledon has one cotyledon. Parallel venation, fibrous roots seen, example wheat, maize, rice. Dicotyledon have two cotyledons. Reticulate venation and taproot seen. Example, mango, rose, pea. Alteration of generation. Three types of plants can be seen: haplontic, diplontic, haplodiplontic. Haplontic, dominant is gametophyte, as seen in algae. Diplontic, dominant is sporophyte, as seen in angiosperms and gymnosperms. Haplodiplontic, alteration of generation is seen, as in bryophytes and pteridophytes. That was the entire chapter, and the 10 minutes timer has still not clicked. Guys, the more sensations you involve in your preparation, better you remember. And with these podcasts, we are putting your auditory sensation to play. I really hope you find these helpful, and if you do, don't forget to share it with your friends as well. I'll see you guys in the next episode of the podcast. This is Dr. Sharun signing off.